I'm going to talk about nutrition, and I'm going to start with carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give us short-term of energy, simple and complex. Simple consist in sweet, small molecules like fruits and candies, and complex are not sweet, and we find them in potatoes, flours, cereals, and cellulose.
They give long terms of energy. They produce hormones, cell membranes, and cover neurons. We can find them in oil, butter, meat, nuts, avocados, peanuts, cocoa, and dairy products.
Proteins. They structure tissues and help clothing, forming antibodies and also forming enzymes. We can find them in meat, eggs, fish, chicken, and dairy products.
Nucleic acids. They form DNA and help the copies that are called RNA. They make genetic information. Minerals. They don't give energy. They build the skeleton and make the 4% of our body weight. They make chemical reactions and we can find them in atoms.
Vitamins are found in food we eat. Your body needs them to work properly, so you grow and develop just like you should. When it comes to vitamins, each one has a special role to play. For example, vitamin A in carrots help us see. Vitamin D in milk help us your bones. They are found in vegetables. Eatwell Plate. Eatwell Plate is a plate model which represents the types of and amounts of food we should be eating for a healthy balanced diet over the course of a day or a week. The portion sizes of each group indicate that we should eat more of foods and less of others, which means we can enjoy all foods as eating disorders. Anorexia. Anorexia is an eating disorder where people starve themselves. Anorexia usually begins in young people around the onset of puberty. Individuals suffering from anorexia have extreme weight loss. Weight loss is usually 15% between the person's normal body weight. People suffering from anorexia are very skinny but are convinced that they are overweight. Weight loss is obtained by many ways. Some of the common techniques used are extensive exercise, intake of laxatives, and not eating. Bulimia. Bulimia is an eating disorder that is sometimes linked to anorexia, and the major symptom is eating followed by vomiting. The vomiting is self-induced in order to purge the body of the food that has been eaten. Around 85% of bulimia cases are teenage girls, and around 10 and 15% of the cases are men. Obesity and diabetes is a medical condition in which excess body fat has accumulated to the extent that it may have an adverse effect on health, leading to reduced life expectancy and increases health problems. Increases the likelihood of various diseases, particularly heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obstruction sleep apnea, certain types of cancer, and osteoarthritis. Obesity and diabetes is most commonly caused by a combination of excessive food, energy intake, lack of the physical activity, and genetic supersensibility.